Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 9th. Hope you will be fine by the grace of Almighty. Dear students, hope you will be viewing our classes on LMS. Dear students, we are studying momentum. I will just recapitulate. Momentum P is equal to, that is total motion in a body, that is the product of mass and velocity, momentum. Today we shall study conservation of momentum. Ekis body agar initial momentum आसान है सुच बराबर आसान final moment which is कौन derive final momentum. Initial momentum of a body is equal to its final momentum, that is conservation of momentum. What conservation momentum? Conservation of momentum means momentum is conserved. Momentum is conserved, that means it is not lost. Whatever body possesses initial momentum, that will be equal to its final momentum. That means initial and final momentum will be equal, and that is what is law of conservation of momentum. According to law of momentum, according to this law, of momentum, according to law of momentum, law of conservation, when two bodies act upon one another, law of conservation of momentum. When two bodies act upon one another, when two bodies act upon one another, their total momentum remains conserved. That means their momentum is not lost. Their momentum is conserved, momentum is not lost. Provided no external force is acting. Yes, the body of expert act karachu, his momentum shows the same, it remains when final momentum is called initial momentum, provided when there is no external force acting on them. Dear students, or it can be stated as momentum is neither created nor destroyed. Nishaka is momentum create करे, nishaka is destroy करे. It's also called as principle of conservation of momentum. This law of conservation of momentum is also called a principle of conservation of momentum. It is accordance with Newton's third law of motion. To every action there is an equal and opposite. You take force to the वापस force गसा. This Newton's third law, which it is based on that principle. Which actually derive For example, suppose two bodies, a truck and a car, or moving in the same direction. Suppose this of the truck, say for example this is truck, this is car, this is truck, this is car, they are moving in this direction. Okay? But with moving same but with different velocities. Velocity is different, mass is naturally different. This will have more mass, this will have less mass. Since it is big in size and car is generally small in size as compared to this truck. Yes, as mass, yes, bird, yes, as mass come, velocity or a give me say velocity, say again 100 meters per second, it's up 50 meters per second. And velocity has shown, same, the mass naturally same. So suppose their initial velocity is the initial velocity of truck is u1, mass is m1, and initial velocity of this car is u2, mass is m2. Understand? Shabash, the truck, the car, they are moving in the same direction. They have different mass and they have different velocity. Suppose initial velocity is u1, mass m1. Coil this initial velocity u, this v1, sorry u2, m2. u2 by initial velocity, mass, m2 mass will not change. The initial velocity u1, mass is m1. Because this is the mass and velocity of truck, and this is the mass and velocity of this car. So, S1, their initial momentum will be initial Yes, students, tell me about initial momentum. In momentum that is product of mass and velocity. The initial momentum of truck will be u1 m1, and this car will be u2 m2 or m2 u2. This is momentum of truck and this is momentum of car. Their total momentum will be total momentum before collision. Just with collision मतलब को यल ने ये दग दी before collision दग देने ग्रुप क्या momentum size बिल्कुल m1 u1 plus m2 u2 moment initial momentum as निमित्त size total momentum को इन्होंने add is करो क्या this is initial momentum car and this is truck. Their total momentum before collision will be m1 u1 plus m2 u2 या सम क्या है निमित्त ट्रैक होने चाहिए तो car होने चाहिए अब सिस्टम्स में दुश्मन कार ट्रैक होने total momentum क्या सिस्टम so निमित्त is momentum is add code. Then suppose they collide collide with each other. Suppose track speeds are EDF duck. Yim to duck I go collision. Collision go. After collision क्या है समझ? After mark कैसे चेंज अलबत्ता बिल्कुल भी तो momentum का total change का in velocity change ये duck दी ये कर यार apply force जित कर वापस अब और for reaction and reaction force ये तो दोनों चीज़ों पर निर्भर करता है ताकि definitely change की ना कि बस especially velocity का definitely change हो तो ये कोई switch change कर अब चीज़ को change momentum take गई daily change ये after collision say velocity gets change till gets momentum change till rise the final momentum you should say change suppose तब क्या करें यहाँ से क्या collision after in time t यह दौरान collision को से time intervals was now time इनके time से second time minute वैसे हम dot वैसे तब time period तो small t now यह time is much common collision ठीक due to this velocity of truck and car will change definitely in velocity gets कम गया ज़्यादा गया so गया change ये पानी टक्कर like collision let the velocity of truck after collision is less. So for example, numbers they have collided with each other. Let its velocity will change from u1 to it will definitely change. Let its velocity changes from u1 to let its velocity change from u1 to v1. u1 to v1. And velocity of car changes from u2 to v2. Limit बना final velocity v1 after collision. Limit बना u2 ये बना v2. क्योंकि after collision का image velocity क्या zero is नहीं है say for example it will become u1 and this will become this will become v1 this will become from u2 to v2 in time t after collision upon we टक्कर लगी upon collide so momentum क्या होगा guys so their momentum will be this is momentum after collision so for the momentum of truck will become the momentum truck will become m1 now image velocity has changed from v1 to u1 to v1 and car m2 v2 total momentum after collision क्या बन तो बन m1 v1 क्योंकि m1 was same u1 go change into v1 plus m2 v2 this is momentum of car after collision this is momentum of truck after collision this is momentum of car after collision go momentum here change ठीक suppose during collision truck exerts a force F during collision truck can exert a force करना इस पर यह force action force that is one so although we cannot say the force action reaction force they occur simultaneously let this force of truck on car is action force it exerts the force F1 on the car and in turn car will exert once a car can exert it force F2 on truck but in opposite direction. Guys, F1 is also barabar, F2 is the kurma minus direction change for opposite also. This body force F1 can cover on truck on F2 simultaneously can F2 this F1 simultaneously can cover the force yes is F2 so now it is like pata as per Newton's third law action and reaction forces. ठीक in time t in time यानी ये कर F1 ये कर after this force will act say in time t. Then it is this when force F1 of the truck acts on the car in time then the velocity of the car changes from u1 to इस पर force F1 का कार में जिस पर कार पे act कर image velocity का change definitely का जिस पर यह फिर वो जो बना जिस पर ये यह पर toss है collide का so force का पर ये apply image velocity gets changed. Definitely gets image velocity change and its velocity will change from u2 to you look at u2 to v2. Image velocity is u2 you find out v2 is earliest loop. Simultaneously can be also u2 the acceleration क्या बनी acceleration of cause is acceleration throws a2 so body number 2 it will become full acceleration subine final velocity minus initial velocity of car acceleration t divided by time taken image acceleration gets a2 so cut करो image velocity change in velocity that acceleration is equal final velocity बना v2 initial says this u2 divided by t ये चीज कॉइन हो इस पूछा आफ्टर collision image acceleration क्या rules force is equal mass into acceleration force का बराबर mass into acceleration इसका पता already कौन force is equal to mass derive ऐसे कौन force is equal to mass into acceleration so that force F1 exerted by truck and the car is given by so force F1 of truck on car that is given by m into a force mass into acceleration so F1 का बराबर होते that will be equal to m2 minute mass m2 into v2 minus u2 divided by t which is already the formula we show this you go up force number 1 this is force number 1 is acting as on car F2 is back force है तब वहीं पे बोलूं F2 इसको वापस कार का force reaction force का ट्राई कर सका बराबर आए असल जवाब हो जाती है दलील की साइज बराबर F2 will be equal to m1 minute mass जिस वापस कार का mass या ट्रक का mass जो ट्रक से ये भी कार just करके minute mass m1 u1 ये पर यहाँ पर u1 with initial velocity v1 get final velocity m1 into image का बनिया v1 minus u1 divided by t you can make short issue F2 force of car on this can force of this truck on cars are here F2 force of car on that will be equal mass of truck m1 just formula final velocity of truck v1 minus initial velocity of truck uv this first body truck divided by total time taken that is this is force acceleration image क्या है by a2 कैसे का भाई sorry a1 so by v1 minus u1 divided by t ये image acceleration this is to equation number 1 तो इसमें force क्या है support derive that is equation number 2 जिसका remove for acceleration the third point is remove अलबत्ता ये gets change m1 mass remove mass ये remove right from mass मगर जिस पर action force से इस action although इसको कोने define कर कि इस F1 action जिसे reaction force मगर तब क्यों पता F1 and F2 is barabar as per Newton's mark. Yes, sir. Direction opposite. If the reaction force shows opposite, F1 is equal to minus F2. Bukaro is putting values of F1 and F2. Bukaro is putting values of F1 and F2. F1 is taking down value, F2 से यह है कैसे करो इस substituting value in this equation. This F1 is equal to minus F2. F1 is कैसे value dramu? F1 is value dramu M2 shabash into V2 minus U2 divided by T, which is the F2 value लगाओ जिसमें ये F1 को इसको ये प्लस 1 ठीक is equal F2 का क्या value M1 into V1 minus U1 divided by T ठीक मगर यह पर minus sign से ठीक we will cancel out the value of T क्योंकि इस equation का दूसरा inside है इसका कोई cancelling out T on both sides. Equation जो ये GCS इसको दूसरा inside value equation पे फर्क T as per mathematics पता. We will cancel out T. What then it will become M2 into V2 minus U2 divided by T is equal to minus M1 into V1 U1 divided by T. ठीक minus M1 है क्या सर okay when करो इस या multiple M2 ये multiple करो M2 V2 this minus क्योंकि minus sign M2 U2 ठीक T को cancel is equal to minus M1 V1 एक minus M1 से क्या से multiple minus को plus M1 U1 समझो मैं क्या को cancel out T निम्न से करो multiple या पर करो या ठीक पर करो minus M1 से क्या पर करो या simple वो करो rearrange करो ये on M1 M2 V2 plus ये on your plus M1 V1 you को shift your get is equal M1 U1 polonity ये तारो your ये बन minus ये बन plus M2 U2 बेवाली क्या फर्क करें M2 V2 ये को shift your minus this change in plus ये बना M1 V1 it's already M1 U1 you are called minus M2 U2 ये बना plus or we can say M1 U1 plus M2 U2 is equal M1 V1 plus M2 V2 here you repeat equation final momentum is initial momentum is equal to final moment. Dear students, draw a relation. Guys, something another. Ye draw momentum is conserved. Initial momentum is equal to final moment. You said mathematical equation take derive karo. Hope that is some jamu. Guys, but keenly absorb in case of problem, you can contact me, call my number, and I will clarify you. Thank you.